This is a video about the Organization Patients Directory, or simply, OPD. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. What is the Organization Patients Directory? It's where you can view and manage all patients registered under your organization, all in one place. How do we view patients in OPD? First, you'll need the Directory Manager role to access the OPD. Make sure your user account has been assigned the Directory Manager role. Once you have the correct role, click on the OPD tab from the main menu. This will take you to the full list of patients registered under your organization. You can filter the patient list by name, identification number, or assigned branch. This makes it easier to find specific patients quickly. In this list, you can view key patient details at a glance, including name, IC number, gender, age, assigned branch, and their current status at that branch. You'll also see who their nephrologist is, their PIC, primary nurse, dialysis dates, and primary center. To view more information about a patient, just click on their name. It opens the patient's page showing their branch history. If they've been to more than one branch, you'll see all listed there. Click on the branch name for more patient info. And that's how you access and use the Organization Patients Directory, or OPD. It helps you manage patient information easily and efficiently, all in one place. Thank you for watching.